So today I'm going to show you two simple ideas that you can use, just very simple, to get idea for your next YouTube videos. All right, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. But the first thing is going to be just basically going to the YouTube page right here. And if you go into the search bar, you could just click right there and you could just type anything you are looking for. So for example, how to make money. And then as you're writing that, you can see some of the topics that is going to come down, right? How to make money online, how to make money on TikTok, how to make money on Pinterest, and how to make money on YouTube and things like that. So I'm just gonna click here real quickly, and you're gonna get a list of videos of guys that have been doing this potentially for a long time, and you can see what they did, right? I'm not saying you're gonna copy their ideas completely, but you can kind of see some of the things that are working, right? Like this guy right here, 2 days, 39,000 views. That's pretty good. 8 months ago, 250,000 views. So you can see that that topic or that right there is getting views, is ranking, is something that other creators are doing. Now, I need you to understand one thing. YouTube is something that you can do for years, right? I have one channel that I have over 10 years and did pretty well for a season, right? But again, YouTube is something that you may do a video and you may not get results into a year or 2 years from now. So a lot of times people get discouraged. They make a video, they stop making videos because 3 months have passed and they haven't seen any results and they stop. But the reality is that a year from now, that video could do very well in search results, and I witnessed that myself. Okay, the other idea is going to be just to go to your analytics, and while you're in your analytics, there's a lot of information that you could come right here to the left says analytics, and then you could come down here and again show you some of the videos that you have done that are currently taking views, and it has been a long time, right? Like for example, this first video right here, I did a May 4 2022 and is getting currently views, right? So that's my #1 video. So it may be a good idea to maybe revamp that video, maybe do something new or something like that. But again, you know what? It's giving you an idea right here, right? Best grip tripod for GoPro cameras, January 30th, 2023. And again, it's getting views currently, right? So that's pretty good. Seeing those 10 videos that you did and kind of getting some idea, how can you kind of revamp that content or something like that. But if you go here to the top, it says inspiration. You can click there in the inspiration. And again, it's going to give you more information. You see some of the videos right there. You could go into the search bar, how to make money. And again, once again, you have a bunch of drop down menus and things like that. Click enter and it's going to give you couple different videos in here as well. Again, some of these videos may be kind of like the same, but again, it kind of gives you an idea. You could kind of start comparing some of the topics and some of that information and get your own ideas, right? And one last thing that I tell you, if you're looking for idea, is to just use other websites out there. For example, websites such as TubeBuddy or something like Video IQ have tools that allows you to get ideas on videos. Kind of like the same concept. You put the information out there, or you put a key phrase, and they're gonna give you some information on possible videos that you can make. Another thing that I've done is just going to Google and typing something in there and getting idea as well. For example, how to make money online. And then when you come down here, you could kind of see some of the ideas right here. Affiliate marketing, taking online service, becoming an influencer, and things like that. So maybe you have some information that you can pass. Maybe you know how to become an influencer. Maybe you could get that idea and come out with your own video. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys watching.